Hey, it's Justin over here at Sarah Acura, and in this video we're going to talk about whether your vehicle has a spare tire or inflator kit. As you may or may not know, over the last 10 years, maybe even a little bit longer than that, 13, 14 years, a lot of manufacturers have done away with spare tires, and it's actually becoming very uncommon to find a spare tire in a vehicle. So I'm going to show you where you can go look to see if your vehicle has a spare tire or the inflator kit. So we can do a quick check. We know for a fact that certain cars have just an inflator kit. Using this Acura Integra here as the example, I'm going to hop in one and show you what that looks like. So as we open up the compartment back here in the trunk where you would normally would have found your spare tire, what you see now is an empty compartment, some storage, which is nice, and an inflator kit. So you have the inflator kit, and that's what this is here. And so instead of a spare tire in this vehicle, they have this inflator, which gives you a tire repair option, or actually a little air compressor. And this little air compressor has a 12-volt accessory that you can plug in there. Gives you a place to be able to fill the tire with air. And it also includes an air, basically like a fix-a-flat. So that's what this lever does. You can turn it to the side and it will fill a small hole or puncture that would happen to be in the tire. But as you can see in this compartment down here, there is no tire. But one thing that Acura has done is, if we remove this piece of foam and look right below there, there is still a place that you can put a spare tire. And Acura's been nice enough to allow us to buy a spare tire. So now you can buy an actual spare tire kit from an Acura dealer, and that spare tire kit will go right in there. It actually still has the screw to hold the spare tire in. So everything is set up for a spare tire if you want to purchase one. If you're one of those people that are not going to change a tire ever, then I would suggest just staying with the tire inflator kit, along with that fix-a-flat in there to help you if you ever run into anything on the side of the road in an emergency. So now let's check out the other vehicle. Okay, so this is the 2026 Acura RDX, and this is going to be the same from 2019 until now, because they've changed the compartments back, or they've kept the compartments back here the same since then. So we're going to open in this compartment in the back here, and you get that big well down below there. Let's see if I can put that up there. If I flip this up one more time, down below here is a compartment right in there. And if you can see, there is an inflator kit. So this vehicle does not have a spare tire because it has the inflator kit. So at no time have they ever given you both the inflator kit and the spare tire. So if you have this kit, you do not have a spare tire in your car. However, as I mentioned before, same with the Integra, is Acura allows you to purchase that spare tire kit, and basically what they'll do is give you a compartment here that will have all the tools in it. And that's how I know right off the bat, because there's an inflator kit and there's no tools to be able to change the tire. So normally this one, and it says, shows right on the cover there that it has an inflator kit. That's what that little emblem is, just letting you know that hey, that spare tire doesn't exist. There is no place here that you normally stick the tool. There's no place in the bottom there where you normally stick the tool to lower the tire. Of course, you can always just crawl up underneath the vehicle, but you don't need to do that in this case. Now this RDX is different, and again, same 26 RDX, but this is going to hold true for the 19s and above. So now as I lift this up, this little cover shows the little picture of a jack on it. So this one has the spare tire. So that's how I can tell right off the bat Not to mention, if I open that cover, open that up, and I have all this stuff in here, so this doesn't help. But as you can see, there is a tool, the jack, cover for the tire, and then underneath on that little tab, it does a spare tire. So I think the big question is what's the difference between these two, that one comes with it and one doesn't? Well, most of the RDXs in the all-wheel drive trim do come with a spare tire. However, the A-Spec model, which this one is, does not. And again, one last reminder, you can purchase a spare tire and a spare tire kit that goes in the vehicle. So if you're going on a road trip, you're worried about that, it is available for you to get future purchases down the road. Same way in the Integra. It's too long of a list to go through all the vehicles, but reach out to the service department if you're curious whether your vehicle has it and how you can purchase that kit if you want to do so. The MDX, most of the MDXs do have spare tires. There are a handful that do not though. And I'll give you an example off the top of my head. The front wheel drive MDXs usually do not have a spare tire. Again, a lot of those change through the models, through the years. So it'd be a long list to go through each model and each trim, whether it has it. But if you're not sure, take a peek in your car, see if you have the inflator kit. If you do, that means you do not have a spare tire. If you don't have an inflator kit, then chances are you have a spare tire. Obviously, the spare tire on these is up underneath the vehicle. You can always just crawl under there and take a look. Or if it's a sedan, it's going to be inside that well inside the trunk. So hopefully that helps you out. I don't want you to be stranded somewhere and not know whether you have a tire to be able to continue on with your road trip, or if you have the inflator kit and you can fill that puncture and keep on going. So have a great summer, and thanks for watching.